Say, last class continuation, variables practical. See, VB script, variables declaration, Java variables declaration. Java variables declaration. See, I will show the practical. Launch Eclipse editor. First create Java project. Project name, for example, Selenium. Next, create project, create package, for example, Java examples. Next, create class, project package class, variables examples. Finish. See, write main method, public is access modifier, static. What is the purpose of static? Arthi, without invoking any object, we can use main method. Generally, we use methods on objects, na. If you want to use this main method without object, you use a static keyword. Void means it doesn't return any value. Main is method name, built-in method. Just a minute. String args. Open curly braces. Okay. Next, declare variables. You see, in Java, instance variables. Next, static or class variables, local variables available. And some are saying 4 categories, parameters also. Parameter is one of the usage of variables. You forget about the classification. General declaration enough. Suppose if you declare at class level, you can use for entire class. If you declare variables in methods or in blocks, that black are method level only. See how to declare variables. First, see, observe. One of the syntax, data type. Next, variable name, this one, semicolon. For example, int a. Int is data type, a is variable name. Next, another type. First we declared variable, then you can assign value. Suppose a equal to 10. Next, another syntax, data type variable name equal to value means declaration and initialization. Suppose int b equal to 20. Int b equal to 20. Next, declaring multiple variables. Declaration of multiple variables in a statement. Int, not only int, you can use another data type char, etc. Double int c comma d comma e. Next, see declaration of multiple variables. And assigning values. Int f equal to 60, g equal to 70, e equal to h equal to 90. Suppose d equal to c equal to 30, d equal to 40, e equal to 50. Observing Aarti.
Yes, sir.
Next char any variable name. Suppose ex equal to single quote capital A. Next, double y equal to any floating point value 2.3456. Next, string group of characters. String z equal to within double quotes. See, for numbers no quotes, for characters single quotes within single quote. Next, for strings double quotes. See, Selenium. Observe Gursimran, we used small characters for int, char, double, but for string we used capital letter. Try to use small letter, error. Use capital letter, okay. Suppose for double use capital letter, error. We have to use small letters. Java is case sensitive language na. But why capital letter for string Aarti?
is a built-in, like a system defined?
No. String is class. See, for class names, capital letters, na? Class name starts with
Yes,
uppercase. String is class. Okay, next try to display all these variables. System, see here I am writing system also capital. Why? System is class. Out is object. Next, println method. A semicolon.
Sorry, sir. What is out is?
Out is object.
Okay.
System is class. Out is object. Println method. C A B C D E F G. Okay, just a minute. E F G H X Y Z. Run the script. Observe the output. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 90. Next, capital A, 2.3456, Selenium, string. Okay, na? Next, reading also I will show. For example, int.
Sir, can I ask you a question? Instead of you are typing system.out.println A, B, C, D in different lines, can you put it in one line?
No.
Can we able to do that?
No. See here, see different statements now, we can't concatenate.
Oh, okay.
Suppose J, int J. Suppose instead of initializing, assign value, suppose J equal to A. See, it is reading, not initializing. See, different statements we can't combine. J. Just a minute. Run the script, run the program. See 10. Here we are assigning A value to J. Observe Gursimran, declaration of variables. Any query?
No, sir.
Okay, cool. Declaration of variables. See, next come to one small chapter, Java modifiers. Java modifiers. See, modifiers are keywords that we add to those definitions to change their meanings. See, modifiers. Modifiers are keywords that we add to those definitions to change their meanings. Okay. See, in Java we have two types of modifiers. Can you tell me, Arti, two types of modifiers in Java?
Access modifier
Ah.
and non-access modifier. Access modifier is like a default.
Okay, enough. First, access modifiers. Access modifiers. Second one, non-access. Non-access modifiers. Access modifiers, non-access modifiers. Two types of modifiers. Next, access modifiers. Can you tell me, Gursimran? We have four types of access modifiers. In introduction chapter I explained. There are four types of access modifiers. You tell me, Arti. Default,
Public,
private,
public, private and protected.
Good. Say, we use modifiers to define access control. See, we use access modifiers. We use access modifiers to define access control. To define access control for classes, methods, and variables, etc. Four access modifiers. First one, private. Private. What is private? Use small letters. Private. This private access modifier is accessible only within class. See, the private access modifier is accessible only within class. Within class. For example, class A, suppose class ABC, first letter capital, open curly braces. Next, private int A equal to 100. See, this variable accessible only in this ABC class. Next, default. Default. What is default? If we don't use any modifier, then it is treated as default. This can be accessible only within package. Package group of classes, group of related classes. See, if we don't use any modifier, then it is treated as default. Default. This can be accessible only within package. See in future chapters you can get more clarity. This can be accessible only within package. Within package. Example, package ABCD semicolon, next class sample open curly braces, int A observe Arti, we didn't use any modifier for class as well as for variable na.
Yes, sir.
Then it treated as default.
Yeah.
Next, third one, protected. Protected. What is protected? The protected access modifier is accessible within package and outside of the package, but through inheritance only. Inheritance. If you inherit, then you can use. Otherwise, out of the package you can't use. By inheritance you can use. See, the protected. Just a minute. The protected access modifier. Protected access modifier is accessible within package next outside of the package here one condition, but through inheritance only. But through inheritance only. Next, public. Examples I will show later. Public. What is public? Guess, Arti? Public access modifier.
Anybody can use.
Yes.
Like.
See, public access modifier is accessible everywhere. See, public access modifier is accessible everywhere. Sridevi?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sorry, I didn't check the time.
Okay, cool. Everywhere. It has widest scope among all other modifiers. Example, public class ABC. Say I will show table, concentrate. Modifier, access modifier, within class, next, within package, next, outside of package. Outside of the package. See, first, private. Tell me, Girsimran, private within class accessible or not? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Next, within package, concentrate. What we told?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. No. See, observe private. Private access modifier is accessible only within class. No.
Yes. No.
No. Next, default. Arti, default within class. Yes or no? Within class. Within the class.
No.
Accessible
No.
or not?
No.
No. What we discussed?
Only within package.
We
Only within package.
within package means class default na. Class is superior.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah, then sorry, yeah.
Okay.
Then class and within package,
Yes.
both, yeah.
Package means class also. See, if say, observe here, this can be accessible only within package. Package means class also. See, package means group of classes, not only in home class. From other class of this package also you can access. See, within class, yes. Next, within package,
Yes.
yes. Next, outside of the package,
No.
no. Next, protected. Tell me, Girsimran, protected within class.
Yes, sir.
Just a minute. Here I will show one more thing. Outside of the package, by subclass, if you inherit, by subclass, if you inherit. Next, one more thing. Just outside of the package, without inheritance, outside of package. First one, no. Private, no. Next, default, no. Next, protected. Arti, protected within class.
Within class, yes.
Yes. Within class, yes. Next, within package.
Outside the package, yes. By inheritance, yes.
By not for within package, no inheritance.
but through inheritance only. Yeah.
Next, outside of the package by subclass, inheritance.
Yeah. Yes.
Next, outside of the package.
No.
No.
Because you're not inheriting. Yeah.
Next, Sridevi. Public. Within class.
Yes.
Yes. Next, within package.
Yes.
Next, within outside of the package by subclass.
Yes.
Next, outside of the package.
Yes.
Yes, everywhere. See, observe the table. You can easily remember Gershimran. See, first one, follow the sequence. Private, only within class. Default, within class, within package. Protected, within class, within package, outside of the package by inheritance, by subclass. Next, public, everywhere. Within class, within package, outside of the package, and outside of the package by subclass, outside of package without inheritance. See. Next, non-access modifiers. Non-access modifiers. See, Java has several non-access modifiers. Our test automation point of view, 3 non-access modifiers are important. One is static. One is static. Static modifier to create class, methods and variables. See. Static modifier to create class, method and variables. See, in future chapters you can get more clarity, advantage of static and disadvantages also. Class A static string is data type, name is variable name equal to Selenium. See, if you use static keyword, then it is class level variable. This can be accessed by all blocks in that class. Next, final. You know what is final? Sridevi, can you tell me final modifier? What is final modifier? See, final modifier for finalizing the implementation. Implementation of classes, methods and variables. Final modifier for finalizing the implementation. See example, just a minute. Example, class ABC final int a equal to 100. Tell me, Sridevi, what is the meaning of this final? Aarti?
It's a constant. The value for A is constant. It will not change
It
during the
won't
execution.
change. See, finalizing. 100 is final. See, generally variable values vary throughout the execution. You can use different values. Suppose some portion of the code one value, some portion of the code other value like. But if you use final keyword, that creates constant variable. Constant means fixed, whose value is fixed. Okay. Okay, now Gursimran following.
Yes, sir.
You know VB script?
Not really much, sir.
In VB script, constant concept is there now. Variables, constants.
Yes, sir.
We declare variables using dim statement. We declare constants using const statement. But here no separate concept for constants. Constant also variable, but final variable. Final variable means constant. In Java, final variable means constant. Sridevi?
Okay,
Why
sir.
Sridevi is not responding? Sridevi, are you there? Okay. Next, abstract. Abstract modifier. See, several non-access modifiers in Java. Our test automation point of view, these three important. What are the three? Static, final, abstract. Abstract. Can you guess, Aarti, what is abstract? Abstract modifier is to create abstract classes and methods. What is abstract class? We will discuss in OOPS concept, incomplete implementation. What is the advantage that we will discuss? Abstract. To create abstract classes, methods, abstract methods. Example, abstract sample. Sample is class name. Abstract sample. See, this is about Java modifier. See, once again, we have two types of modifiers in Java. One is access modifiers, public, first sequence, access modifiers, 4 access modifiers, private, default, protected, and public. Next, we have several non-access modifiers. Our test automation point of view, 3 non-access modifiers important. One is static, next final, next abstract. Next, come to next chapter. Any queries, Aarti?
Hello?
Hello.
Yes, sir. My speaker problem was there. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, now cool, cool. Java operators. See, Java has rich set of operators. Our test automation point of view, 4 categories of operators important. First of all, what is operators? See, operators are used to perform mathematical comparison and logical operations. See, operators are used to perform mathematical, next comparison and logical operations. See important categories of operators. Important categories of operators. First one, assignment operators. Assignment operators. Here important operators. Assignment operator. Assignment operator. See category and operator. See first I will list out all important categories. Assignment operators. Next arithmetic. Arithmetic operators. Next relational or comparison operators. Next logical operators, etc. Our test automation point of view, these four categories enough. See under arithmetic operators, under assignment operators, one is an assignment operator, symbol equal to. Next I will show example. Just theoretical. Next I will show practical also. A equal to 10. This is assignment. Next add and assign. Add and assign. Add and assign. Next add and assign. Plus equal to. Suppose A equal to 10. Next A plus equal to 20. Now what is the A value, Aarti? In second example.
I think it's 30.
30. Okay. Next subtract and assign. Subtract and assign. Symbol minus and equal to. Suppose A equal to 10. Next A minus equal to 5. What is the value of Gursimran? Third example. What is the final value of A?
5, sir.
5. Good. Next multiply and assign. Multiply and assign. Suppose A equal to 10. A multiply and assign 5. What is the final value, Sridevi? Multiply and assign. Okay.
50.
50, good. So I will show the example. Say new class operators example. Operator example. See, first invoke main method, public static void main string args string. What is the problem? Main syntax error. Oh, it is method na. Tell me, Sridev, what is this public?
Access modifier.
What is this static? What is this keyword? What is the functionality of this keyword in this statement? Tell me, Girsimran. Just today only explained this one. In the last week also we discussed. Tell me, Aarti, what is the purpose of static keyword in this statement?
So using main method.
It's like a const.
See, generally how
That value don't change.
Just a minute. How we use methods on object na? Here without invoking object we are using main method. See the static, what is the purpose of static keyword? Without invoking any object we can use this method if we use static keyword. Getting? Hello? Following Sridevi? Why all of you in silent mode? Garsimran, are you following?
Yes, sir.
What is the use of the static keyword in this statement?
So without invoking any object.
Without invoking any object, we can use this method, main method. Generally, on objects only we can use methods. Here we are not invoking any object. Without invoking object, we are using this main method. Next, Sridevi, void. What is the purpose of this void keyword?
Void means it doesn't return anything.
Yes, it doesn't.
No value is returned.
Yes, no value. No return value. Next, main is method.
Function.
Method. Okay, in Java, generally we don't use function term. Method. String is the string is array. Okay. Say int a. Int a. You can assign value also. Semicolon. Next, system dot out dot println of a. Tell me, Sridevi, what is this system? Try to identify the keyword. Is it a method or variable or anything? What is this system?
Method.
Method. What is this out?
Object.
Object. What is syntax? General syntax. Object dot method or method dot object. What is the general syntax? Object dot method na. We use methods on objects. Okay. Tell me, Gir Simran, what is this system? Gir Simran Grewal. What is this
Yes,
system?
sir.
Try to identify the keyword.
So class.
Class. Yes, it is class. Built-in class. What is this out? OUT.
So object.
Object. What is println?
Method.
Method. See, class, object, method. See, for class names, capital letter, first letter capital. See, this string also, this array, this one also class, string class. So, yes, capital. Okay, just a minute. Next, A plus equal to 10. Next, just a minute. First output will be 10. Second output 20. Next, A subtract and assign 10. Tell me third output, Aarti, third output.
It will be 10.
10. Next, A multiply equal to, suppose 5.
Sir, third output isn't the 0? The third output?
Pardon?
Sir, the third output isn't the 0?
0. Why 0?
So
Just
A
a
minus equal to 10.
See, already A 20 subtract.
Yes, yes, sir. I'm just looking it up.
Just a minute. First, which one? Second output or third output?
So third.
Third. A already 20 na. Latest value of A. Forget about initial value. What is the latest value of A after second output?
20, sir.
20
20,
minus
sir.
10. Okay.
10, sir. Yes, sir.
20 minus 10, 10. Next. Last output. Next, one more also there. Okay, enough this one. Run the script, run the program. 10, 20, 10, 50. 10, 20, 10, 50. Any confusion, Girsimran? See, before this subtraction, A value is 20. Already 10 added. 10 plus 10, 20. After addition only we are subtracting 10. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
See, don't confuse. See, just a minute. Next, arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators. See, addition. See, this addition operator acts as addition and concatenation. Next, subtraction. See, it is for subtraction and for negative sign. Suppose if you want to assign negative value minus 100, minus 10, you can use this symbol. See, this addition for addition and string concatenation. String concatenation. Next, this subtraction symbol for subtraction and negation, for negative sign. Next, multiplication. Multiplication. Next, division. Division. Next, modulus. Modulus. It returns a reminder. See, percentage symbol. Next, increment. Plus plus. Next, decrement. Minus minus. Say I will show example. Concentrate. Say int a equal to 10 comma b equal to 5 semicolon. See, print line. Next, message. Addition of a comma b, message optional. Here enter plus sign. This is for concatenation. Concatenating message with variable values a plus b. Tell me the output, first output, Aarti.
15.
15.
15.
Yes, yes. Suppose string C equal to Selenium. Next, D equal to testing. See, plus sign acts as string concatenation operator also. See, concatenation. Concatenation of C and D. D. What is the output, Gursimran? C and D. Concatenation.
Selenium testing, sir.
Selenium testing. Selenium testing. Next, just a minute. Subtraction. Subtraction of A comma B is concatenate A minus B. Sridevi, what is the third statement output?
5, sir.
5. Why it is showing this one? Oh, semicolon. 5. Next, multiplication. Multiplication of A comma B is concatenate A hashtag B. One more bracket, semicolon. Arti,
50.
50. Next, division. Division of A comma B is concatenate A by B. 10 by 5, 2. Next, modulus. It returns remainder. Modulus of A comma B is, tell me Gursimran, modulus of A comma B. What is the remainder? A value 10, B value 5. A modulus B. What is the remainder? Tell me Sridevi, what is the remainder? Arti, what is the remainder?
I think it's 0.
0.
But maybe the
No remainder, 0.
yeah, the 0.
Suppose 10 modulus 4. What is the remainder? 10 modulus 4.
Oh, 2.
2. 4 into 2, 8. Remainder 2. Next. Just a minute. Increment. A equal to plus plus b. See, we use this increment operator in loop statements. A. Gersimran, what is the last statement output? A equal to plus plus b. Generally, we use increment and decrement statements, increment and decrement operators in loop structures. We use increment and decrement operators in loop structures. What is the last statement output, Gursimran? Sridevi. Say yes or no.
15.
15.
15.
15. What is B value? B value, what is initial B value?
5.
5. Plus plus means add 1.
5.
5 plus 1?
Okay. 6.
6. Suppose A equal to minus minus B. Arti.
4.
4. Why? Now A latest.
5.
Huh?
Nothing, sir. Sorry.
What is Sridevi?
5.
5. 5. No.
6 minus 1, sir.
Forget about 6. What is B?
Oh.
What is B? B value not changed na?
Okay. 5 minus 1.
5 minus 1. 4 only.
Yes.
Don't confuse. 4. Say I will execute this one. Run the program. Observe addition 15. Next concatenation Selenium testing. Subtraction 5. Subtraction 5. Multiplication 50. Division 2. Modulus 0. Next B plus plus 6. Oh, what is this one? B minus minus 5. Just a minute. 5. Just a minute.
I think the value for B was 6.
No, A only na. A equal to minus minus B.
The print ln you said A. It should be B, I think.
Just a minute. Just a minute.
Print okay.
Print ln.
I think it's B in the quote.
Not B. B.
In the bracket.
A only. Just a minute. Run the program. B it is showing 6. Just a minute. B it is showing 6. Why?
Sir, plus B means B equal to B plus 1.
Okay.
So maybe it is assigning B value to A. So that's why when we print A, it is showing 6.
6 okay. First A 6 okay. But what about B? B is 5 only na initial value. Just a minute. Run the program. What is happening? B minus minus. Okay. See, it is taking B. It is taking to B value also. Just a minute. Suppose B equal to 5. B plus plus. Again B equal to initial value 5 minus minus. Some problem is there. Okay, make it initial value. Plus plus means it adds 1. Next, minus minus means subtracts 1. This is 4. This is 5. Six 4. Suppose B equal to 5, A equal to B plus 4, what is the output, last output, Aarti?
I think it's going to be 10.
10.
B is 5 plus 4, 9. 9.
Run the program. Last one 9. See, just a plus plus means 1 increment. Otherwise, you can specify the number. Just a minute. Arithmetic operators. Next, relational operators. Relational operators. See, a relational operators return Boolean result. Boolean result. True or false like Boolean result. Just a minute. One general topic. Types of result in computer programming. Types of result in computer programming. Can you tell me, Sridevi, generally we have 3 types of result in computer programming. This is general topic. Not only in Java. You take any programming language or scripting language, we have 3 types of result. Can you tell me what are they?
Yes, sir. Logical result.
First one, important, value-based result.
Value-based result.
Value-based result, general topic. Value-based result. For example, 3 plus 5 equal to 8. 8 is value. Suppose 2 multiplies 7 equal to 14. It is value. Next. Boolean result. Boolean or you can say logical result. Say true or false. Next, last one. Tell me, Sridevi, you are trying to say something?
Operator, like comparison.
Value based result, Boolean or logical result. Next, constant based result. See some built-in constants. See these relational operators return Boolean result. See, arithmetic operators return Girsimran. What type of result? Arithmetic operators.
So value based.
Value based. Next, relational operators. Just a minute. Relational operators return Boolean, or you can say logical result. See here relational operators equal to, see single equal to assignment operator, double equal to relational operator. Find the difference, Aarti.
Yes.
Single equal to assignment operator, double equal to relational operator. But in VB script, only single equal for assignment as well as comparison or relation. See, this is equal. Next, not equal. Next, greater than, less than. Okay, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. Just a minute. Example. Say relational operators. Int A equal to 10, B equal to 20. See variables declared and initialized. Next, system dot out dot println of first A, this is message, A greater than B is concatenate A greater than B. Tell me, Sri Devi, first statement output.
False.
False. A greater than B, true or false? False. Just a minute. Comment sign. Next, Gershemran. A greater than or equal to B. A greater than or equal to.
Sir, false.
Greater than or equal to also false. Okay. It's not either equal or greater. Next, A equal to B. False or true?
False, sir.
False only. Next, Arti, A less than B.
True.
True. Just a minute. Next, A less than or equal to B. True. Next, A not equal to. Not equal to. Run the program. Observe first three false, last three true. Okay, na Sridevi? Relational operators. Okay. Next, logical operators. Logical operators. Here three logical operators are important. First one, logical and. First logical not operator. Logical not operator. Logical not operator. See symbol. What is this symbol, Arti? It is available on.
Exclamation point.
Next, logical and operator. We use and operator and or operator for compound conditions. See double ampersand. Next, logical or operator. What is this symbol, Girsimran? Logical or operator. What is that symbol? Sridevi. Arti.
I know, but I don't.
What is this pipe symbol? Try to identify. So I will show example. First, here I will explain result criteria. A result criteria. First, not operator. Not operator. Observe Sridevi, result criteria for not operator.
Yes, sir.
Operand 1, operand 2, result. Otherwise you can say expression 1, expression 2, result. Say first expression true, second one also true. Then what is the output? What is the result for not operation? True, true. If both are true, result
Sir, not operator, only one operand or two operands?
logical negation.
Okay.
See, false, true, false, true, false, true, true. Next, false, false, true. Just I will show the example. Say A equal to suppose boolean, declare boolean. Boolean A true, B false. See, system dot out dot println of negative sign na. See, first message A not A and B. Is concatenate this square brackets parenthesis A not A, just a not operator, not A and B, not A and B. Observe Sridevi, not A and B. What is A true, B false? Suppose first expression true, second expression false. Output
Yes, sir. It is true.
true. Yes, true. Run the program. Observe, true. True. Next, observe Arti. A true, B true. First expression true, second expression also true. Output
False.
false. False. Next, both are false. Gersimran, both expressions are false.
So true.
True. Run the program. True. See. See, true, false, true. True, false, true. Just a minute. This is logical negation. Next, logical and. Logical and. Just A and B. Here also I will explain result criteria. A result criteria for AND operator. AND. Tell me, Sridevi. True. True. First operand true, second operand true. Otherwise
True.
you can say first expression true, second expression true, result true. Next, true, false,
False.
false. See, this is common in all computer programming languages and scripting languages. Next, false, true,
False.
false. Next, false, false.
False.
False only. Only if both are true, then true. Otherwise, false. Next, result criteria for logical OR operator. OR. Observe Aarti, first operand true, second one also true. Result
True.
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 Next, true, false. One true, one false.
True.
True, yes, it is OR operation. Either this or that. True. If both are true, okay. Any one true, okay. False, true. True. Next, both are false. False. Tell me, Aarti, last one. False, false.
True. True.
True.
False.
False only.
True.
False, false, false. Any confusion? Either this or that. Both are false. Means
I
false
got it
only.
now.
Don't confuse. Don't confuse. Observe OR operator and NOT operator. It is quite opposite to not na. Not false to true. This is true, true, false.
Yeah, yes, sir.
See, example. Second output, Gursimran. A and B. Is it true or false? A and B is true or false? Logical and. A true, B false. Logical and. Sridevi. Logical and.
False.
False. Yes. Next, same value. Sorry, just a minute. Same values OR operator. Tell me, Aarti. A true, B false. A or B is Gursimran. Sridevi.
True.
True. True. Yes. If anyone true, true. Run the program. See, observe three outputs. True, false, true. True, false, true. True, false, true. Just before break, I will show one more small example for logical operators. One more small example before the break. Concentrate. Say, in order to increase the clarity, I will use conditional structure. Observe. A equal to 100, just data type, int A equal to 100, next B equal to 50, C equal to 70. If small letters, first expression A greater than B, if A greater than B, this is first expression, logical AND, second expression A greater than C, then just a minute, this is block of code now, square brackets. See, system dot out dot println any meaningful message. A is a big number. Suppose A greater than B and A greater than C, if both expressions are true, then declare A is a big number. Next, close the block, close the black. See, don't concentrate on conditional structure, that we will discuss in next chapter. Else system dot out dot println of A is not a big number. A is not a big number. Observe Gersimran. What is the output? Tell me the output.
So true.
True. Here, where is true? Tell me the output. Here two outputs. If condition is true, then A is a big number. Otherwise, A is not a big number. These are outputs. True or false, not output.
A is a big number.
A is a big number, correct. Say, observe. First expression, A greater than B. Is it true or not? True. 100 greater than 50. Next, second expression, A greater than C. Yes. 100 greater than 70. Both are true. Then it will display first, it will execute this condition part. Otherwise, else part. Observe. Run the program. Any problem? Terminated. Identify the problem, Sridevi.
I think you forgot the semicolon at if statement.
If is black, na. If is black.
Sorry, didn't Forgot the close.
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 Where? Just a minute. 1, 2.
Sir.
No. Where close? A of C is not showing any error also. If condition, else condition, main close. What is? Observe Sridevi. Any problem? Sridevi, try to look at the problem. What is the problem? All of okay. A greater than B, 2 brackets open, 3 open, 1 closed, 2 closed. Aarti, identify the problem.
Sir, can you add one
Maybe, sir.
curly bracket? Can you add one curly bracket in the end?
Already there na.
So I don't think so. It's four, open 4 and closed, I think 3. Like, no, it's one.
No, it is showing error na. Here one closed na, before else. Before else one closed, just a minute. Just a minute.
I think you
Tell me, Aarti, what is the problem?
I think maybe you have extra curly brackets.
Extra, if extra, then it will show. It will show error. Run the program. A is a big number. Okay, it is showing correctly. Observe. Run the program. A is a big number. Suppose else open curly braces, then B is a big number. Run the program. It is showing A is a big number. Okay. Next, A value 700. Run. A is not a big number. Okay, it is working fine. Observe Sridevi. Now tell me what is the output? A greater than B, okay. A greater than C, okay. Then what is the desired, what is the expected output?
A is a big number.
A is a big number. Just a minute. It is showing A is a big number. Next, A is 100, B is 500, C is 70. See, first expression, not true, false. Second expression, true. This is AND operation. If both are true, then true. Then what is the expected output?
A is not a big number.
A is not a big number. If any one see, A is not a big number. Okay na, Aarti? It is showing correct output na?
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, you take 10 minutes break. After the break, we will discuss conditional statements. Just a minute. Java. conditional statements. Say flow control, Java flow control. See, you take any programming language or scripting language, minimum two types of flow control statements. One is conditional. One is conditional statements. Another is Sridevi. Another is loop statements. See, first I am taking Java conditional statements. Okay. See, continuation, Java conditional statements. What is the purpose of conditional statements in test automation? See, conditional statements are used to insert verification points and for error handling. See, conditional statements are used to insert verification points and one more purpose, and for error handling. See, we have two types of conditional statements in Java. Can you tell me, Sridevi, two types of conditional statements? In the introduction chapter, roadmap of Java, in that chapter we discussed.
Yes, sir.
For example, in VB script, if statement, select case statement. In Java, Aarti, are you there? See, first one, if statement. If statement. Next, switch statement. Switch. Switch statement. Next, types of conditions. Types of, just a minute. Okay. Types of conditions. See, first one, single condition. Example, if single condition A greater than B, do something. Next, compound condition or multi condition. Example, if A greater than B, logical AND or logical OR. A greater than C, then do something. Next, third type, nested condition. If A greater than B, open close. If A greater than C, open close. Like this you can write multiple conditions. If after fulfilling first condition, then it will go to second, next third, like that. Open, do something. Like this. See, three types of condition, Gursimran. Three types of conditions. Two conditional statements, if statement, switch case, switch statement, or you can say switch case. Three types of conditions. What are the three types of conditions? Gursimran, Grewal.
Sir, single condition.
Ah.
Yes, sir. Single condition.
Single condition. Compound condition.
Nested condition.
Nested condition. Okay. Next, usage. See. Usage of conditional statements. Usage of conditional statements. First usage, executing a block of statements when condition is true. Here no else part. Executing a block of statements when condition is true. See, syntax. Okay, Arti, okay. Syntax, if, use small letters. If condition, open curly braces, statements, every statement should end with a semicolon. Next, close curly braces. Example. See? File new class. Conditional statements. Write main method. Tell me the syntax for writing main method, Sridevi. You need to remember, execution starts from main method.
Public static void main.
Public static void main of string. Just a minute. Square brackets, arguments. open curly braces. Next, int a b, a equal to 10, b equal to 5. Why it is showing a equal to 10, b, okay. Assignment 1. Next, if a greater than b, system dot out dot println of a is a big number. Tell me, Aarti, what is the output? What is
A
the
is a big number.
A is a big number. Condition is true. A is a big number. Run the program. A is a big number. Next, observe Gursimran. A is 10, B is 50. What is the output? A is 10, B is 50. What is the output?
So condition is false. Output is not a big number. We don't have that.
Where I wrote is not, A is not a big number.
That's what I'm saying, sir.
It is one-way condition.
Yes, sir.
One-way condition means if condition is true, execute a block of statement. If condition is false, don't do anything, nothing. But just bypass the condition, nothing.
Yes, sir.
See,
Yes, sir.
nothing, nothing is output. See, this is one-way condition, one way. Understand the example, Sridevi? Any confusion?
Yes, sir.
Okay, cool.
No.
Cool. Second one. Executing a block of statements when condition is true. Otherwise, execute another block of statements. See. Executing a block of statements. A block of statements. Before that, I will show compound condition also. Executing a block of statements when a compound condition. Earlier I used one-way single condition. This time one-way compound condition. When a compound condition is true. When compound condition is true. This is also one way but compound. In previous example, single condition. Say A, B, C. Suppose here only you can initialize C equal to 2. A greater than B and logical AND. A greater than C observe Aarti. Condition is, this compound condition is true or false?
It is true.
True. A greater than B, true, and A greater than C also true. Then what is the expected output?
A is a big number.
A is a big number. Run the program. A is a big number. Next, C is 20. Observe Gursimran. First condition means first expression true. Second expression A greater than C false. First true and false. Then what is the output?
So nothing.
Nothing. See, it is one-way condition. Nothing. Nothing. See, first I will show syntax. Tell me syntax for compound condition. Just a minute. Sridevi. We discussed the example. Tell me the syntax for compound one-way condition.
If.
If skeleton is important. Based on example, you can easily understand the syntax. If
Parenthesis, brackets, condition.
Condition 1, or you can say like this. And logical and
And condition 2.
Condition 2, open curly braces. Next, statements. Every statement should end with semicolon, that is common syntax. Close curly braces. Next, third usage, executing a block of statements when condition is true, otherwise executing another block of statements. Just a minute. Executing a block of statements when condition is true, otherwise executing another block of statements. Here need not to say when condition is false. Condition is false or not, that is secondary. If true, it will execute first part, otherwise second part. Blindly it goes to second part. Syntax, if condition, open curly braces, it is block of statements. Statements. Next, close curly braces, else open curly braces, statements or one or more, close curly braces. See example. Just a minute. Close curly braces, else open curly braces, system dot out dot println of any meaningful message. If A is not big number, then only B is there. B is a big number. Semicolon. Now tell me the output, Gursimran. One more curly braces. What is the problem?
Print state spelling.
Okay, spell mistake. Tell me, Gursimran, what is the output? A10, B5. Condition is A greater than 5.
A is a big number.
A is a big number. Run the program. Oh, still problem. One extra braces. Extra curly braces. See, A is a big number. Next, A10, B50. What is the output, Aarti?
B is a big number.
B is a big number. B is a big number. See. Next, fourth usage, decide among several alternates. In the previous example, only two alternates, either first part or else part. Here several alternates. Else if structure, decide among several alternates. Another name is else space, else if structure. First, syntax. See, for every else if condition required. For every else if condition required. Can you tell me, can you guess the syntax, Sridevi? Guess the syntax for single condition. If
condition statements.
If condition, open curly braces, statements, next,
Else.
close curly braces. This black is
Else.
else if again condition. For every else if condition is required. Open curly braces. Next, statements open close curly braces. See, like this you can write number of else ifs. Next, else other than above. It is optional. Other than above. Else open curly braces. Statements. It is optional. Close curly braces. Example. Just a minute. So you can write single line, okay. Say suppose if A greater than 100, then display A is a small number. A is a small number. Just a minute. Close. Else if here compound condition required. A greater than, just a minute, A less than 100, A is a small number, A greater than 100, and logical and. A less than or equal to 1000, one more bracket, then A is a medium number, Next, close curly braces. Suppose single condition. A greater than 1000. Then A is a big number. See, you can write else part also, that is optional. Now tell me, Aarti, what is the output? A equal to 10. Observe three conditions. One is A less than 100, another is A greater than 100 and less than or equal to 1000, and last one is A greater than 1000. What is the output?
A is a small number.
A is a small number. See. A is a small number. Next, A102. Run the program. A is a medium number. Suppose A is 2000. Run the program. A is a big number. See, here you can write one else part also. Just a minute. Suppose A, here also write compound condition. A greater than or equal to 1. Logical and. Remove the space. Next, else other than above. Open curly braces. See, you can open curly braces in the same statement or another statement. See, first one compound condition, second one compound condition, third one single condition. System out dot println of A is other than above, either 0 or negative value. Semicolon. Suppose A is 0. Run the program. See, A is either 0 or negative value. Suppose minus 100. Run the program. Okay, na Gursimran. Else if structure. Any confusion? Next. 4, 5. Executing a block of statements. Executing a block of statements when more than one condition is true. Executing a block of statements when more than one condition is true. Another name of the structure, nested if. Syntax. Sridevi, guess the syntax. Nested if.
Yes, sir. If condition,
If condition,
curly braces,
open curly braces,
if condition,
close curly braces. Next, again, if condition, open close, like this you can write multiple. If condition, open curly braces, statements,